Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Math Experts. Students, if you are new here, please do subscribe my YouTube channel, click the bell icon, and if you have any question related to this topic, you can send us via email. In the comment section, we will solve and send to you. Student, first of all, today we will solve the question related to the AJK PSC exam. This question will appear in the GAT subject or in the GRE subject examination. So before solving this question, I will write a formula for you. It is also known as Leibniz rule, and the fundamental theorem of calculus is a special case of Leibniz rule. Okay, students. And now we have, if we have here d by dt, and we want to apply this in the integral g1 of x to g2 of x, some function here. It may be a function of x or t or any other variable. And here I have f of t and dt. Okay, students. Now we use here. I write here f of, at the place of t, we put the upper limit, which is g2 of x. Okay, and then g2 prime of x minus, then f of, at the place of t I put the lower limit, g1 of x. Okay, and g1 prime of x plus integral g1 of x to g2 of x, and then I have d by dt, f of t and dt. This is known as Leibniz theorem, and fundamental theorem of calculus is a special case of this Leibniz theorem. So we will use this formula here to solve our question. So our question is d by dt. Our question is d by dt integral from x cube to x raised to power 4 e raised to power t ka square and dt. So students, we will use simply this formula, which is equal to e raised to power t square, and upper limit is x raised to power 4. So we put x raised to power 4 and then square, and the derivative of the upper limit, which is 4x ka cube, okay, minus e raised to power lower limit is x ka cube ka whole square. Okay, students. We have x ka cube and then whole square. Okay, and then the derivative of this lower limit, which is 3x ka square plus integral x cube to x raised to power 4 d by dt of e raised to power, if I make correction. So here you can see that the derivative is not with respect to t, we have derivative with respect to x. So I apply here derivative with respect to x. Okay, according to the question's condition x. So we have here d by dx e raised to power t ka square and dt. Okay, now you see that we have here 4x ka cube e raised to power x raised to power 4 2s are 8 minus 3x ka square e raised to power x ki power 6 plus 0. Because this is the function of t and we are applying derivative with respect to x, so it is equal to 0. So we will simplify this function, which is equal to 4x ka cube e raised to power x 8 minus 3x ka square e raised to power x power 6. So we have x ka square, okay, and e raised to power x power 8, which is equal to 4x, and then we have here minus 3. Okay, students. Not, we will take x raised to power 6 is common. X raised to power 6. So we have here e raised to power x raised to power 2. And if we again simplify this, and we can write this in this form: x ka square e raised to power x power 6 and 4x e raised to power x power 8 minus x power 6 minus 3. So we will match our solution. This is the solution for, I will write here, d by dx x की power 3 to x raised to power 4 e raised to power t का square and dt. So we will check our solution here. Look at this. We have x power 6 minus 1. This is not the solution. This not solution. So part E is the correct solution for this. We will choose the option E. Okay, students. Thank you for watching.